In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon shopping cart with others. A fantastic way to collaborate on purchases or simply share your wish list with friends and family. Let's start by organizing everything in your cart for easy sharing. First, you'll want to head over to your Amazon shopping cart. Take a careful look at the items you've added and decide which ones you want to include in the list you're going to share. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for seamless sharing and ensures that only the items you want to discuss or collaborate on make it to the list. Once you've made that decision, you'll need to move each selected item to a list. Look for buttons labeled Move to Wish List or Save for Later next to the items in your cart. By clicking these, you have the option to move the item to a new or existing list, such as a wish list or a registry. If you're sharing for a specific event or gift-giving occasion, you might consider creating a new list to keep things organized. Next, let's access the list you've just curated. Navigate to Accounts and Lists in the upper right corner of the Amazon homepage. Once there, select the list you've moved items to. This area is where all your lists are stored, from wish lists to gift registries, so it's a handy resource anytime you need to manage or share your shopping interests. Now that you're in the right list, it's time to share it. Look for an option to invite others to view your list, or a button that says Send List to Others. Clicking this gives you the tools you need to share your selected items effectively. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose the level of access you'd like the recipients to have. You have two main options: View Only, if you want them to simply see the items, or View and Edit, if you're looking for a more collaborative approach, allowing them to adjust quantities or even add suggestions. After you've made your choice, go ahead and click the Copy Link option, or if you prefer, you can use the email feature to send your list directly to their inbox. Having the link makes it incredibly easy to share using messaging apps or social media, giving your recipients the ability to access the list quickly and add any items they like to their own cart for purchase. Finally, share the link with your intended recipient. By doing so, they'll be able to easily view the items on your list and add them to their own Amazon shopping cart if they choose. This makes coordinating gift-giving or purchasing items for a shared project straightforward and hassle-free. And there you have it. This method of sharing your Amazon shopping cart through a list is simple yet powerful, enabling seamless collaboration and facilitating gift exchanges or group purchases right from the comfort of your home. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping.